Dr. Dunne, the heartstopper mushroom is extremely poisonous, correct?
Yes.
Could even a small bite kill a person?
Yes.
You mentioned in your testimony that heartstoppers are marked in the website iForge, correct?
Yes.
So if someone looked at an iForge, they could find exactly where in Artemis Grove the deadly mushroom grows?
Yes.
You said the spores can get on clothing just from being in the area where the mushrooms grow, right?
It could.
But you also stated that light breeze would scatter the spores, correct?
Yes.
I know this is speculation, but I'm trying to fix it later, but I'm just going to say it.
Okay.
For a lot of spores to be found in one specific spot on a jacket sleeve, like the cuff, is it more likely the sleeve had contact against the mushroom itself, isn't it?
Actually, yes.
So finding those spores on the jacket cuff suggests close contact with the mushrooms, not just walking past it.
Yes.
You testified that the heartstopper mushroom has a white cap, correct?
Yes, a white cap.
And you described something found on it as an egg-like cocoon.
Yes.
So a whole fresh heartstopper mushroom would be small, white, and round-looking.
Yes.
No further questions, John.
So the way you asked it didn't call for speculation at all.
Oh, it's because in previous meetings they were like, oh, this is speculation because it's like the cuffs and everything.
But I mean, like, if she's talking about how spores, like, to the extent that she's an expert witness, and she's talking about how spores are dispersed, I think you can challenge that. So yes, if she's holding herself out as an expert to say, like, she's already testified on direct that a strong breeze could disperse these spores in any fashion. I think then, therefore, she's permitted to offer an opinion as to how they got there, right? Or you can ask, and you asked it the right way. Wouldn't this suggest that if it's concentrated only on a specific area, that there was close contact and not just being dispersed in the air? Wouldn't it dispersed in the air? Wouldn't that mean that it was all over the clothes? Something like that. But the way you asked it, I think, was fine.
Oh, okay.
Or at least it would, if it got an objection for speculation, your response would be what?
She's an expert.
She's an expert witness, and she's offered an opinion as to how spores travel.
Yeah.
I think it's within, it's cross-examination, and it's within her expertise.
An expert.